Yesterday class, what see, I give one homework, what like and dislike for your parents. You do, everyone do it. Yes, today you make one table and do it everyone. So you save it, then next class I see the homework. Okay. So what is the today topic is vocabulary junction. What is mean vocabulary? Today vocabulary junction means here making words. Okay ba? So making words. Then I roaming to in our class. So some kids are playing with the words making. What is mean words making? Is some example. Take one word. Then you replace any letters. Then change in a new, make a new word. Some example. I write rat is there. So you replace one letter, then make a new word. Or is cut, then make a cat. So that is today class Z. The vocabulary junction means what? Read name. Make a word making. Okay. So what is first one? First they take two words. First they take two words more than adding by those. What is the two words is the word one and word two. Okay, two words taken, then adding only. Now do it. What? Adding only. Then next word taken to take to adding, replacing and removing the letters. First word is race. The first take the word is race. Now adding any letter, then make a new word. What word are added? Some other first or last, anything, you add one letter. What letter I added? Race is there. Then how to make in a new word? Now I add for in a S. Yes, then add it. Race is the new word. Any word is there? No. So then here A is there. Any word is there? No. So I add within a P. P R A Y S. What is the word we get? Praise. Pray. Everyone, you do in a home for prayer. Yes, that is a good habit. Everyone do it the prayer. So the praise. Then now we get the word is new word is what? Praise. Then next one word we get. What is the next you adding? Any letters you get in a new word. What is the letter you added? S. I add in a C. C here added. Then any letter you any word making? No. Then B. Any word is there? No. So I add from in a S. S P R A Y S. Now we get what? Praise. Now we get what is the word? Praise. The word called is race. Then I add from in a P. We get the new word is praise. Then next now the word is praise. Then now I add for in a S. Then now I get in a praise. So only one word only given. You take two more words or you find it, build it. Okay. So the word two is what? One. Okay, what is the word? Word two is one. So now build two words. Okay, then now add here. What is to it? Add only, not replacing and removing. So first one is one. What is the word? What is the letter you added? Make in a new word. Only one letter only you add it. So what is the word? One is remaining. So add for in T O N E. Tone. Now we get in what word? Tone. Tone means what? Your voice raising. Your voice. Remember the tone is what? Voice. Okay. So next one is we get in another one word. Tone. So you get tone. Then what is the word? What is the letter added? Then you get in a new word. What is the letter you added? P. P tone. Any word is there? No. Then Y tone. Any word is there? No. So what is the letter you added? This lesson, the last class, I explained about one story also. What is the heading? You know? Anyone? What? Stone soup. So first word is what? Stone. So here what is the letter added? Yes. So now we get in a stone. Now get in a new word. The one only given the word. But you build how many words? 2 words. The first one is stone. The second one is stone. So 2 words will be take. Give a tone, stone. Same, similarly, praise and praise. Praise. Give a. So that is given. Next, by those, after this, you using them, replacing. Replacing means any other letter is there. You take any waste things there, you take it and throw it. Some other place here, some other any other things you place the same place. Same thing. You also replacing, then removing, another one adding. Do it the next one. So what is it? I draw one. Okay. So one diagram is draw it. Step by step you add, replacing and removing. What is the word is given? Sad. What is the word is given? Sad. So next step you go to what is the word or any one word is making. What is the word making? Here using for in a replacing, removing, adding. Then what is the three of them is there? Which one is suitable for in a sad? So sad is changed to what? Any other word? Sad remain mad. Yes. M-A-D. Sad, mad. Here what is doing? Yes, only change. So replacing. What is the condition here using? Replacing. The next one is another steps is we want next step. Next step. What condition you do it? Make one new word. What is the word? Sad, mad. Next, man. M-A-N. What? Here M is same. Then A also same. D is changed to N. So here what is the condition you do it? Replacing. So D place is occupied the N. Okay. So now we get in a man. Okay. So next you go to next step. Everyone you go to up only. So everyone go to they like for in a down. So go to next step is make another one word. What is the condition? Any condition. Adding, replacing or removing. 3 condition is there. So you do it any other one. Next one is I am using adding. So what is the condition I do it? Adding. Man already is there. So add for in E alone. So that is the word is main. What is the word is main. So now get in a new word or not? Yes. So then go to next step. Next step also make in a new word. Here what is it? One word is given. So here using in a replacing. Here also replacing. Then here one letter is adding. Then next step what did you do? Any other? three condition is there. Any other condition? Do it. What is the word is? M A L E. Here what is the condition? Do it. Adding any other here same word is there. Any letters here added front or back? No. Then what did you do? Here N is changed to what? L. N is changed to what? L. So here what I am using? Replacing the letters. What is using? I am using the replacing letters. Then next one is, what did you do now? Mile. Here also I am using in what? Replacing. M-A-L-E. It is called in a male. So next one is I make in a M-I-L-E. Mile. So here what is the using? Mile. Then mile is this there. Then next also one step alone is there. Then so make a only one word. What is the word is here? Everyone using. So I add for in a one letter. Then we get in a new word. What letter? Yeah, mile is there. So I add from S. Now we get a what word? Smile. Now we get a what word? Smile. So here adding A is there. You change to I. That is replacing. Here main is there. Here also N is changed to L. That also replacing. Then next one is man. Here add for in a E. Next mad is changed to man. What is the word is given? That is sad. Sad is changed to mad, man, main, male, mile, smile. So only one word only given. Now you learn how many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So only one word given, but you learn for in 6 words. So similarly, you make one table. You do like this. You take one word, then make a different types of words making. Okay. Then next one is some one ladder is given. Some glues also given. You make a one word making words. Okay. So next class, replace a letter, then removing a letter, then adding a letter. For this the another one exercise. Okay, ba? So the first one is one ladder is given. What is the first clue is given? This rise in the east. You know the east, west, south, north? Yes. Which one is rise in the east? Anyone you know? What? Moon is the east. Rise in the east? Yes? No. What? Sun. Sun rises in the east. So here what is the word? Now we get is sun. Okay, va? Then next clue is what is given. What is you change the next clue is given. What is the clue is given? A female child is called what? Daughter. Then same thing. The male child is called what? Anyone you know? The male child is called what? Son. Yes. So here write in a sun. Yes. U is changed to O. So here what is the condition is using? Replacing. What is the condition is using? replacing. The next clue is what? Nancy was singing sweet dash. Anything singing is coming, then singing a dance, singing a letter. No, what? Singing a song. Yes. So here S. So what is the spelling for song? S-O-N-G. So here what is the condition is using? A sun already is there. So here add for in a G. So we get in a sing a song. So here what is the condition? Adding a letter. Then here replacing. Kiva. Then sing a Nancy was sing a song. Next clue is what is given now. What is the opposite word of short? What is the opposite word of short? Short. Then the opposite word is long. What is the word? Short, long. So here write in a long. So here song is the next one, write in a long. So S change to L. Here what is the condition is given? S change to L. So here replacing. So what is the condition is using? Replacing. The next one is here what is the clue is given in the book. So long is given. Next you add for in a one alphabet. How many alphabet is there? A to Z is called in a alphabet. What is the letter for first letter for in the alphabet? Is that? No. Then R is the first letter? No. Then what? S is the first letter? No. What is the letter for an alphabet in? A is a first letter. What is the first letter for an alphabet? A. So here add for in a. So long is there. Next you add for in a. Then we get is the what new word? Along. What is the word we get? Along. So here what is the condition is you using? Adding. Okay. Z. Okay. Along is given. Next you reach only one step, then get be the house. Okay. Then only one step alone is there. Then we get the how we go to the house. So next here, what is the clue is given? Now you get in a 1, 2, 3, 4 words. You get it. The last word is what? Then along is given. Now here removing the last letter. Then you add for in a with a vowel. So remove a what letter? Last letter. So along is there. So you remove it, then you get in a A-L-O-N. So here add for in a vowel is said. Then what is the clue is there? There is to be without any friends is called what? In your home, in your classroom, many friends are there. But in your home you sit what? Alone. Yes. So here the E is here also vowel. So now we get a word. What is the word? Alone. Okay. So you write in a alone. So here what is the condition is using? G is removing. So the condition is removing. We get a word is alone. Okay. So the what is the first word is given? Sun. The sun. This rise in the east. Sunrise in the east is correct? Yes. So that is sun. Next, a male child is called what? Son. The female child is called daughter. The male child is called sun. Okay. Then Nancy was singing a dance. Singing a dance? No. What? Song. Okay, va? The opposite of short is what? Long. Okay. Then I would next add for in a first letter for the alphabet. Alphabet is first letter is A. We get in a new word is along. Then you without friends is there, that is called in a alone. So here using in a remove. Here G is removing. Add for in a one vowels. Then we get a word is alone. Okay. So today you see make a many build the words. Okay. So you also you take one words then make a many types of words. Okay. Next we move to phonics junction. Next we move to phonics junction. What is next topic is phonics. Okay, phonics. What see there? Then I write one sentence. Hi, my name is Agil. I love to play. What is the sentence I write? Hi, my name is Agil. I love to play. That is one sentence. Here, what is the A? Is a long sound is there? Which word is long sound? A is the word is name and play. Okay, wow. So here both one A sound then AY. So the both one same long as sound. The both one name. You say anyone? Name. A is the long sound. Same thing play. AY is changed. Same like a sound. So that is play. A. Y also say join to a sound. So next one is I write some sense. Rain, angel. Okay, wow. Rain and angel. Here A is a job. So A then angel is the first word. First letter is A. Okay. So the both one same long a sound. The both one longer a sound. Rain. A is joined to A. So angel. A. Angel is also what? A sound. So this like some words. Look at this. Today class for some say sounds. Okay. So first one is A you using gate. So here everyone you read it gate, snake. So here A is the snake. What? A sound. A is the long sound. So everyone you say snake. A is the long sound or not the word? Yes. So that is A sound. So next is grapes. So grapes. You say the grapes. A is the long sound. The next one is A is given. The next one is I. I was A. Then train. Rain, drain. So see here A is on A. So the A is long. Everyone you say tray, rain. A join both one you join make a sound. Okay, so train, rain, train. Okay, the next one is here what? Play. See here, play is there. Y is also joined to A. You say the play. A Y also same word. A sound alone. Okay. Okay, A-Y, tray, pay, day. So, some example the word day. So, day. Y also is that same. You long a sound alone. The next one is pray. A-Y. Okay. Next one is tray. Everyone read the sentence for in a tray. A-Y is joined to make a what long sound? A. Okay. Next one is pay. P-A-Y. You read the word pay. Why is any other sound is there? Joined to a make a long a sound alone. Okay, so that is called in a sound. Today learn the class. Okay, so next I give some words that is rearranging them. You write it. Okay, then what is the word is given now? Some words are given. You try it. Okay, so some words given. A-L-S-I. So, rearrange the words. Rearrange it. What is the word we get? What is the first letter? Some word is inside is there. You make a, you will get in a correct word. Okay, what is the word? S-A-I-L. Sail. Okay, then the next word is anyone find what is the word inside of inside it? Anyone? What? What's the first letter? You get what? P? No. A? No. What? T? Yes. T? A? P? E. Tape. Tape is the one word or not? That is meaning is the yes. So the word, what is the word? Tape. The next one is Kiva. So everyone like this word. Everyone free time using the say. The word is what? What is the word? Anyone? Do it. What? P-A-I-N-T. What is the word? Painting. Everyone like a painting. So I just give the clue for everyone you like. Okay. So now we get in a paint. Next one is okay. What is the word? This also everyone like, but birthday time everyone you gone buy in a shop. What is the word? Anyone? What? Yes, cake. Cake is that words. So that is everyone like for a cake. Every birthday everyone go to buy a shop in a cake. Yes. Today everyone learn the many words. Just only one word only given, but you today learn for a lot of words. The same thing you also go in your home take one word, then make many types of words. Okay, so everyone do in your home different types of words, make it. Okay, so do it. See the next class. Okay, thank you students.